Cycling in the Netherlands is not a sport. It's an integral part of the transport infrastructure.
Yes, and with that in mind, you should pay attention to how you cycle during your first few months, as you may be unaware of some aspects of Dutch cycling etiquette.
So now we are here in the Wilhelmina Park, which is one of the biggest parks here in Utrecht, and it's right between the Utrecht Science Park and the city center. And in this video we're going to tell you a little bit about how and where to park your bike. So it's very important that you make sure that you park your bike in the correct places. Because if you park your bike in a place where it's not allowed to park it, it might be removed by the municipality and you have to pay 20 euros in order to get it back.
You may also see this sign, which indicates a place where you may not park your bike. You may see other types of signs from homeowners or businesses, and it is advisable and polite to follow these as well. Bear in mind, you may also sometimes see this sign painted on the ground of areas where you may not park your bike.
Instead, you should use bicycle racks around the city or the city center's manned bike parking spots. Just ask for a sticker and a keyring token the first time you visit. You can say, mag ik een sticker en een kaartje alstublieft?
You can also park in the manned garages under the central station using your personalized OV chip card. The first 24 hours of all manned garages in Utrecht are free. Bear in mind, if you do need to pay, you do not pay with your OV chip card. This is just used to time your entrance and exit from the fietsenstalling.
Utrecht also features pop-up parking, with temporary manned parking places around busy spots in the city. There are also displays in the city, which show you how many free parking places there are at each location.
Don't forget to securely lock your bike too, ideally with 2 steady locks and preferably to the bike rack.
But if you are parking in a manned or a pop-up bicycle parking facility, you shouldn't lock your bike to the rack, but rather lock both wheels to the frame.
You should never leave your bike unlocked anywhere, regardless of how short a time or where you're leaving it. The Dutch often joke that your lock should actually cost more than the bike, and it's not that wrong.
Thank you for watching and see you again soon.
Tot ziens!